Hello guys, today I will be showing you
How to remove age restriction on YouTube.
If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start.
Go to your YouTube, go to your profile and tap on this gear icon. Under settings, tap on general. Scroll down here, and if you see the restricted mode has turned on, you have to turn this one off. See, if you turn this one on, it will limit and filter everything like the videos you're about to watch. So you have to turn this one off in order for you to basically delete the filter. And then the second thing to do here in order for you to simply remove age restriction is you have to tap on Google account. And then here on your Google account, you have to look for personal information. Now, under personal information, you have to look for your birth date. Tap this one and then change this to the age that you're allowed to watch any video type. So you can set this from 1970, 1980, 1990, 2000, but shouldn't be below 18 years old. So I hope this video helped you. This is how you easily remove age restriction on YouTube. Now you can go back and watch the video you want to watch. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.